Question 01. That's the man dash spoken about the job. A. Whom. B. To whom. C. Which. D. Whose.
সঠিক উত্তর অপশন বি টু হুম, কারণ স্পোকেন টু সামওয়ান এই ফ্রেজে প্রিপোজিশন টু দরকার এবং হুম সেই ব্যক্তিকে নির্দেশ করে যার সাথে কথা বলা হয়েছে। সঠিক বাক্যটি হল দ্যাটস দ্য ম্যান টু হুম স্পোকেন অ্যাবাউট দ্য জব। Question number 2. The word with incorrect spelling is A. Intervention, B. Intoxicate, C. Intertwine, D. Intestine.
সঠিক উত্তর অপশন এ ইন্টারভেনশন। Question number 3. Meditation dash anxiety and dash a state of calmness. A. Relaxes, releases. B. Retains, brings. C. Releases, brings. D. Drains, purifies.
সঠিক উত্তর অপশন সি রিলিজেস ব্রিংস। বাক্যটির বাংলা অর্থ ধ্যান দুশ্চিন্তা থেকে মুক্তি দেয় এবং শান্তির এক অবস্থা নিয়ে আসে।
Question number 04. The auditorium is not available for use this week. It A. Is refurbished, B. Is being refurbished, C. Refurbished, D. Has refurbished. Correct answer option B is being refurbished.
Question number 5. If you are empathetic, you A. Have the ability to understand the feelings of others. B. Feel pity for others. C. Are unable to forgive someone. Or D. Are elated. Correct answer is A. Have the ability to understand the feelings of others.
Question number 6. The antonym of detrimental is A. Conservative, B. Disproportionate, C. Mischievous, D. Beneficial. Correct answer is option D. Beneficial.
Question number 07. Dash, you mind closing the window, please? It's very cold outside. A. Could. B. Should. C. Would. D. Can. Correct answer, option C, would. Question number 8. An entomologist dash A. Specializes in the study of soil classification. B. Studies of insects. C. Specializes in providing health care for animals. D. Advocates for the protection of the environment. Correct answer, option B, studies of insects. Question number 09. Identify the error in the following sentence. Each of the students are responsible for their homework. A. Are. B. Their. C. Students. D. Homework. Correct answer is option A. Are. Question number 10. The synonym of conquered is A. Animosity, B. Amity, C. Variance, D. Discord. Correct answer is option B. Amity. Question number 11. You sat for IELTS examination this year, dash. A. Have you? B. Can't you? C. Weren't you? D. Didn't you? Correct answer is option D. Didn't you? Question number 12. We didn't win the match. We were happy with team's performance, dash. A. Although. B. Though. C. Also. D. Despite. Correct answer is option B. Though. Question number 13. I cannot be subservient, dash. A. On. B. By. C. Over. D. To. Correct answer is option D. To. Question number 14. Which one is correct? A. I am to blame for the lapses. B. I is to blame for the lapses. C. It is me who is to blame. D. It is me who am to blame. Correct answer is option A. I am to blame for the lapses. Question number 15. By next month, Shravani dash in the bank for 5 years. A. May work. B. Has work. C. Will have worked. D. Works. Correct answer is option C. Will have worked.